Number 10. Assam, Tibet, the 15th of August 1950. This inland earthquake caused widespread damages to buildings as well as large landslides. 780 people were killed in eastern Tibet, with many villages and towns affected across Assam, China, Tibet, and India. Oscillations to lake levels occurred as far away as Norway. The total death toll is likely to be higher, as no definitive total was ever estimated. While the earthquake itself is known as the Assam earthquake, it is believed the epicenter may have been in Tibet. Number 9. Sumatra, Indonesia, the 28th of March 2005. This earthquake killed 1,313, with over 400 people injured by the tsunami as far away as Sri Lanka. The epicenter was 205 kilometers northwest of Sabulga, Sumatra, at a depth of 30 kilometers. This region, also the site of the 2004 Boxing Day tsunami, is particularly geologically active, with 3 of the 15 biggest known earthquakes having happened here. Number 8. Rat Islands, Alaska, the 2nd of April 1965. The worst of the damage attributed to this earthquake was caused by a tsunami, reported to be about 10 meters high on Shemya Island. The wave caused flooding on Amchitka Island, causing $10,000 in property damage. Number 7. Ecuador coast, the 31st of January 1906. This earthquake caused a tsunami that is reported to have killed between 500 and 1,500 in Ecuador and Colombia. Number 6. Biobío, Chile, the 27th of February 2010. This earthquake and subsequent tsunami killed at least 521 people, with 56 missing and 12,000 injured. More than 800,000 people were displaced with a total of 1.8 meters people affected across Chile, where damage was estimated at $30 billion. Number 5. Kamchatka, Russia, the 4th of November 1952. This earthquake generated a tsunami that caused widespread damage in the Hawaiian Islands. Property damage was estimated at around $1 million. Some reports describe waves of over 9 meters high at Kina Point, Oahu. A farmer on Oahu reported the loss of 6 cows to the tsunami, but no people were reported killed. Number 4. Sendai, Japan, the 11th of March 2011. So far the official death toll stands at several thousand from the combined effect of the powerful earthquake, aftershocks and the tsunami. However, the total is expected to rise, with some estimates of a final toll of over 10,000. Economic impacts are expected to be huge, with the shutting down of nuclear reactors which many industries rely on for power. Number 3. Sumatra, Indonesia, the 26th of December 2004. In terms of damage and loss of life, the scale of the disaster caused by the resulting Boxing Day tsunami was enormous. In total, 227,900 people were killed or presumed dead, with around 1.7 million displaced over 14 countries in South Asia and East Africa. The epicenter was 250 kilometers southeast of Banda Aceh, Indonesia, at a depth of 30 kilometers. Number 2. Prince William Sound, Alaska, the 28th of March 1964. Compared to the chilling earthquake, this earthquake was less damaging. The resulting tsunami took 128 lives and caused overall $311 million in damage. The earthquake was felt mainly over Alaska. Number 1. Valdivia, Chile, the 22nd of May 1960. This earthquake killed 1,655 people, injured 3,000 and displaced 2 million. It caused $550 million damage in Chile, while the tsunami that it spawned caused deaths and damage as far away as Hawaii, Japan and the Philippines. The rupture zone of the quake was more than 1,000 kilometers long.